What's going on, everybody? What's happening? Monday market recap. Man, I'm sick. Y'all know there was a fire last week in my house. So I think it's the combination of me being sick and taking in all of that smoke. My voice is jacked up, but so I wasn't able to go live this morning. I think Friday, it really messed up. So I'm going to try to pound through it. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but it's all good. 245. The stock market closes in 15 minutes. So let's take a look and see what's going on. All right. So I've got my major watch list. I have a lot of stuff that I look at, but this is my major watch list. So from a percentage standpoint, XRP is up right now 2.46%, 58 cents. Okay, so if we go look at XRP, again, I didn't do the recap on Friday, but Friday we were right here, had broke through that 34. We were like, all right, that's good. Following that news about XRP Trust popped up, continued through. We had that 3 white soldiers candle pattern, which is strong. But then look what happened yesterday. Nasty ass red day, but we are fighting back right now. Sellers had this bad boy below this 21 exponential moving average, and they're fighting back. So it's leading everything on my major watch list right now, except XRP against Bitcoin. That's actually looking powerful. 4.66%. Wow. Nice, working its way up. I mean, this is a big ass candle. I love this candle pattern. When you've got a big green candle, inside bar harami, followed by another one. It's like a little sandwich, but it's looking nice. So XRP is really outperforming Bitcoin today. Ethereum, look at that. Wow. XRP taking it to Ethereum up over 4%. Stacked moving averages. Oh, man, look at that. So right here, you got this green dot. So this is telling me that the TTM squeeze is firing. So volatility is expanding, releasing energy. This bad boy is about to crush it. So XRP is whooping Bitcoin. Today is whooping Ethereum and just looks really strong. Now, XRP against Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin. Take a look at this one. So we're still kind of going sideways through this area. The squeeze has not fired, but momentum is picking up. And then again, look at that. Just beautiful stacked moving averages above the 8. What's going on? Tell me about the green dot. Forgive my voice too, man. I'm sick and I took a lot of smoke. I had a house fire. Fucked me up. All right, the green dot. So whenever you go into the black and the red, right, it's building up energy. It's going into this indicator is called the TTM squeeze. So it lets me know how big the move is going to be, right? The green dot is saying that it is firing. So that energy is expanding. The Bollinger Bands are contracting. Release of energy, it's gone. I mean, look at this. Look at last time. Squeeze, green dot, bam. So that's what this is. This indicator is telling you, get ready. And when it's green, it's gone. That's good. So XRP is taking it to Ethereum. If you look at Bitcoin, it hasn't fired yet. So XRP is stronger against Ethereum over the last couple months. But this tells me it's about to pop, man. Again, look at XRP. XRP is looking good. All right, Russell 2000. So Russell 2000 is second on the board, 0.55%. We look at the small caps, right? Ooh, yeah, text me. We look at this. Let me see. My son, he's texting me. Oh, well, I don't even know what that means, but so just take a look at this bad boy. So the Russell 2000 small caps, we want to see these move. When people are investing in the small caps, they're happy, right? They believe everything's doing great. So this Russell 2000, you got to look at it. On the 26th of August, we haven't crossed that high yet, but we popped through, working its way up. We need to get above that high. You know, look at XRP. Hasn't broke that high yet, but Russell 2000 is up today, so that's good. Is the tomorrow based off the open buy and sell orders? You talking about that, the dot? And again, forgive me, I can't. You're talking about the dot. Man, I don't even know how it's calculated. I tell you, it has to do with the Keltner channels and the Bollinger Bands. When the Keltner channels are inside of the Bollinger Bands, this is not my indicator, but it's freaking awesome. So I believe it's based on the close, but I don't really know the inner workings. But I'll tell you what, just go back in time, right? When it's in that squeeze, bam, look at that move. In that squeeze, bam, this bad boy is about to take off. Look at Russell 2000, right? Look at this. In that squeeze, bam. So when it goes in these squeezes, look, it was in that squeeze, and then this time it fired short. So one of the main things about that dot is the direction of that dot, right? Let me see if we get out here. So again, going back in time, look at that. Same exact thing. Now, this was orange, so that's a high compression squeeze, but then it fired above the zero. And look at that move, man. Yeah, I believe it is. Open, yeah, I do. But again, it's got all sorts of stuff going on. But it's a volatility measure, but I believe it is, my friend. I love it. And again, I like it because if you're going to buy something, you want to buy something whenever there's a big move, right? Well, again, look at this. This is the perfect example. And when it's orange, you could draw your little pennant. Look at that move. Shit. Huge. So anyway, I like it. And it tells me that XRP against Ethereum picking up some steam. So that's good. Let's keep rolling though. So the Russell 2000's up 0.48%. Got to get to that high. Now, the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 is leading all of them. Take a look at this. It's up today, 6 points. So it's not doing much. It's probably because the futures contracts are rolling over to December. So today is rollover, and usually it doesn't do much. But look at the S&P. We broke through the moving averages right here. Shot up, and we're right at that high. Russell 2000, not there yet. So the S&P 500 is stronger, but it's up today. That's good. I invest in stocks. I sell puts on stocks. I do cover calls on stocks. I trade options. I do all that stuff. So the S&P 500 is looking good. Now, Ethereum. Ethereum is not the worst performer right now. Cardano is getting his butt whooped, but Ethereum is down 1.42%, 2,284. But look at the difference. And forgive my voice, but look at the difference. Ethereum never even broke through the moving averages, so it is super weak. And again, we know XRP is stronger than Ethereum. Just go look at the chart. It's going straight up. But Ethereum, recently rolled over in a flag, hasn't busted through yet, nowhere near the high. So Ethereum has been sucking really, really bad. That's not good. So down not this morning, this afternoon. Coinbase, 1.26. So Coinbase is even worse than Ethereum, right? Shit, look at this. Didn't break through. It's moving average. You can see right here, that little squeeze fired short. That created that massive move to the downside. So again, the squeeze doesn't have to be like 50 million dots. In this case, it was a small squeeze, fired short, drop down. We can't even get above that 8 exponential moving average. I mean, look at, again, take a look at Coinbase. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum straight down. Never crossed it. Now, one thing about Ethereum, at least it broke through its 8 and then it rolled over. Coinbase just sucks. It never even broke through the 8. 161. So let's pull up Coinbase. Market's going to close in a minute, but take a look at this. Let's pull up Coinbase real quick. So if we go to Coinbase, right? Coinbase is $161 a share. You can sell naked put on Coinbase and get about $200. So one of the things we talk about in the options class is selling naked puts, owning stock. How can you collect income or buy stock at a discount? So we talk about that all the time. But if you want to own Coinbase, it's $161 a share, or you could go sell this naked put and pick up Coinbase at $147. So that we talk about that all the time. All right, Bitcoin. Shit, dude. Bitcoin was over 58,000 earlier. And now look at that. Bitcoin, it broke through the moving averages. That was good, but it's just rolled over. Now we're back below the 21. It just kind of didn't get its leg. Look at XRP. Look at it. XRP broke above here, pulled back, but it held the moving averages. Look at Bitcoin. It's not holding, right? You're broken. Zoom in. It's breaking below it. So it's super weak, and it's nowhere near the high, 57,000. It just can't do nothing. Now, it's in a black squeeze. So it's starting to build up energy again. Like it to, consolidate, go into that red, and then go green. But right now, it's down 1.94%. Dog. NVIDIA. NVIDIA's down 2%. So NVIDIA is down 2 points, 2%. It's $116 a share. So if you're going to want to see how much money you can get off NVIDIA, look, bring NVIDIA here. Hang on. Right here. Bring NVIDIA, right? $116 per share down. But again, you can go out here and sell the September 20 put right here and get about $160. So you can collect weekly income. That's one of the big things about the stock is you can buy the stock, you can trade calls and puts, you can do options, you can leverage it, or you can just collect income. I feel like I'm screaming with my voice, but shit, my voice sucks. But anyway, it's down today, not doing good. Nothing's really jumping out except XRP, believe it or not, 2.95%. NVIDIA is down 2%, but it's been a little bit stronger than Bitcoin. Look, broke through, pulled back, and it's holding that moving average. Remember Bitcoin? It's not holding that moving average. So NVIDIA is a little bit stronger than Bitcoin. Now, this one is getting its ass whooped. Cardano. Cardano's down 2.54% today, doing nothing. Nothing, man. Take a look at the picture. My son's messaging me. Hang on. My son's texting. Okay, yeah, he's just going to go live. All right. So my son's got baseball, right? My son plays baseball. He wants to be a professional baseball player. That's what I did. I played baseball. Super good. So 32 cents. Again, same thing. Look, we broke above it, but it's even worse than Bitcoin. We broke back. So look, right here. Take a look at this. Right here. That's where Bitcoin's at right now. Breaking through, following through. It's just sick. And again, if you look at Bitcoin, see, Bitcoin is actually breaking today. Cardano broke yesterday. So it's a dog, right? I mean, it's been stronger than Coinbase. And, Coinbase sucks. And even Ethereum. I mean, again, Ethereum stacked moving averages in that squeeze. Setting up, bears are in control. At least Cardano got a little bit above, and now it's just chopping around. But just taking a look at the percentage, XRP is up the most. Cardano's down the most. But I really like this chart right here. Oh, there it is. We'll take a look at just how the rest of the market closed, but I really love this. You see how these are stacked to the upside? The pink below the red, below the blue. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. This, it's stacked the other way. Ugly. Bitcoin in nothing. Today, just a crappy day all the way around the board for crypto. I mean, even XRP, right? Yeah, it's up right now. It's stronger than Bitcoin over the last while. But we got to get through that high. And I'm really watching this S&P 500. I'm watching this, right? If the S&P can break to a new high, we can get Russell 2000 to break to a new high, and NVDA can start doing something, then everything will be good, right? So we'll have to see how. I'll try to jump on in the morning. My voice sucks, but that's how it shakes out today. Really flat. XRP is definitely up the most. Cardano is down the most. Bitcoin's down pretty solid. So we'll see. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see y'all no more. If you guys want to learn, if you want not fuck learn, if you want to trade, if you are into trading, I day trade the S&P 500 on this channel. I do it live pretty much every day, but today my throat was jacked up, so I just did it in a class. But we day trade, we do stocks, options, and we take a look at the crypto market. That's how it's shaked out. If you want to just kind of look at oil, see how it worked here. Last thing, oil was up the most today. 1.80%. So oil was up strong. I watch oil. I love it, right? Again, but the picture's very similar, stacked to the downside. So it's been weak as of late. You had the Dow Jones up 235. So the Dow Jones, approaching its high, just like that S&P. We can break out. That's good. The bond market's been screaming to the upside. Russell 2000 finished up. Gold broke out the other day looking powerful. But look at that same concept, right? We're in that squeeze. Momentum's picking up. Gold broke out to an all-time high. And look at that, 26.17. So gold has been powerful. Silver, same thing, right? Silver broke out yesterday, looking good. Maybe that's a good sign of here what's to come. And of course, the NASDAQ got whooped today. So we'll see how it shakes out. We'll do the morning market update tomorrow. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Peace.